very useful product. I just used it. See, it has already shown me the exact pressure which is available in the tyre. Now it's switching on. The tyre, it can be used like this. Okay. There's a flashlight also in this. The flashlight. I have set the pressure already, and now it will automatically stop when the pressure reaches the limit. There is no problem in it. You can keep it like this. This is the bag. So there's an attention warning letter, you can say. Yeah. And there are two more nozzles which has come. This is for the bicycles, and this is for the two-wheelers if you want any. I have already used that. You can see the separate videos on this. So these are the things which has come. See, it is 322. I have set it on 30. Let's see if it automatically stops at 30. Guys, it has reached 29. You can just see it automatically stops at 30, and I have already set the tire pressure at 30. See, it automatically stopped. Now I can remove this. It's so easy. I have to be fast. I will remove it from this place. See, the best part is every wire will come inside this. See, this slots. So guys, you can see this. See, this came here, and this nozzle will sit here, and this has come with a box. And the box will come like this. And sorry. And this is so handy. I can even keep this below my table. See.